everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. I am inside today. I am working on another ornament for my 12 Days of Ornament series. Today, we're gonna make these beauties. Stay tuned. I spent a little time on my Cricut looking for snowflake shapes that wouldn't require a lot of weeding. A little trick I've learned when cutting out lots of individual little things is that I select all and then I come down and I weld them all together. It just means that when I go over to cutting on the vinyl, I don't have to rearrange everything again. I found these clear ornaments online. I will include a link to the product in the video description. They come like this, but you peel the paper off and then you're left with these wonderful clear circles. And it took me a little while to figure out what I wanted to do with them. Ultimately, I decided just to keep it simple, and I printed out these really fun sort of whimsical designs on my Cricut, and I transferred them onto the acrylic, and I love how they look. Again, it's not the most complicated ornament, but sometimes the simplest explanation is the best one. So as you can see, I have tried to print out as many of these sort of snowflake shapes as I can. I used some blue metallic vinyl. This is a lovely pink metallic vinyl in keeping with my holiday color scheme. And then I have this transfer paper already cut. I have found that for whatever reason, this heavy duty metallic vinyl, it's a little bit tricky to transfer. I probably need a slightly different type of transfer tape. But what I've been doing is I've been trying my hardest to rub it in, and I have left all of my tools out in the shed, so I'm just using a sharp knife. And then when I peel it off, it's not really wanting to go, so I'm just kind of using my sharp edge to help. And again, I'm sure that a Cricut expert would have a solution. I suspect it's a different type of transfer paper, but this is all I have, and this has been working. So essentially, you're going to carefully transfer your snowflake onto your transfer paper, and then I'm simply going to adhere this right onto the acrylic. So remember when I said how easy this was? I was not kidding.